5 AI tools every student should be using in 2026. Students today are literally studying with AI, while people are still writing a notes like a 2012. If you are not using AI in this era right now, you are honestly making school way harder than it needs. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 insane AI tools that can change your time, help you study smarter, while better, easy, and following goals to your grades without flying. So what's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the best AI tools every student actually be using in 2026. Okay, this isn't one of these fake productivity videos where people act like that they study in 14 hours a day. These are real tools normal students can day. The first AI tools is that obviously ChatGPT, and if you only use ChatGPT, copy homework answer, then you are just betting it, waste of time. Okay, you have to proper use only AI, the ChatGPT. You can literally say, explain question physics like I am 12. I'll turn my messy class notes into easy study pants. It can summarize ChatGPT, create quizzes and grammar, generate essay ideas, and even help you practice interview and presentation. Study winning right now aren't necessarily smarter. They just know how to use AI better in this 2026 and new generation, new era. Second tool is Notion AI. Okay, this thing is basically your organized friends, and that actually has their life together. Manage assignment, create a study, schedule, organize project, and even generate notes automatically. The best part is question mark. The everything study in one place. Okay, most students are stressed because their brain looks like 37 Chrome labs fighting for its survival. The third AI tool is Grammarly AI. Your essay looks like they were written during circular outage at 3 a.m. You needed this. Okay, Grammarly AI checks grammar, spelling, tone correctly, basically all the stuff teachers roast student for. Good written makes you look smarter even when your idea is average. That's just reality. The fourth AI tool is Perplexity AI. Okay, Perplexity AI. This one is crazy for research. Instead of opening is tabs and getting distracted is watching random. This one is crazy for research. Instead of opening its tabs and getting distracted watching random YouTube shorts, Perplexity gives direct answer with source. So if you need quick answer for assignment, presentation, project, this tool is a massive times. Logi feels like Google upgraded itself after a year of doing absolutely nothing. The last one is Canva AI. Students seriously sleep on these tools. Need a presentation, resume, and poster, thumbnail, infographic, everything. Canva makes everything look clean, even if you design a skill. Basically non-stable, and how you can grammar design, resume, background, and create images and build professional looking project in minutes. Okay, while honestly unfair completed to a student from like 2 years ago. Looks, AI is not replace student, it's replacing student who refuse to adopt. People who learn how to use AI properly to stop wasting time doing everything the hard way. This tool work smarter and makes school less painful. In this video, help you out, drop a like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you are using the most right now. Catch you guys in the next one.